This is to do a side-by-side comparison of how loud or not the Ninja blender is compared to the Hamilton Beach blender. I bought the Ninja blender first, and I had to warn everyone before I turned it on in the kitchen so that they wouldn't get startled. I put the same ingredients in each of the containers. I'm going to close them up and start this video again. To show you how easy it is, I had to invert this Ninja blender container, and you just plop it on there, and then I didn't have to invert this one, and then I just put it on there. So the first I will test is the pulse setting. Without the sound barrier on. Okay, now is the smoothie setting. You might notice I'm going to stop it because the ingredients are stuck up there and it's too thick for the thing to blend it. So there's no way for me to tamp it down at the moment. Maybe. Then I will show you the smoothie setting for, this is without the sound shield. These ingredients are also having trouble, but you can pop this top off and use the tamper. This has been sitting a little bit. Let's see if we can blend it again. They have two settings, if your stuff is very hard to blend or if it's easy to blend. So let's try the hard setting. It started, but then now it's still having trouble. As you can see, it's still having trouble, and the only way to fix that is to take it off, unscrew the lid, and move the ingredients around. So there you go, side-by-side comparison. Even without the sound shield, the Hamilton Beach blender is much quieter, and the sound shield does make a tiny bit of difference. It's also very good as a pitcher. You can use it as a pitcher to pour things. I had the Ninja blender first. And as I said, I had to warn everybody in the kitchen before I turned it on. I don't have to do that with the Hamilton. Thank you.